What's going on guys, Ankush Mittal here. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $1 per minute with a very simple method that anybody can do. But before that, let me tell you I have a big bonus for all of you, that I have created a completely free training, 100% free training to make $100, at least $100 every single day. Even a complete beginner can easily do so. So be sure to check out the training video in the link. It's a complete training. Okay, so if you want to get if you are in the niche of making money online, entrepreneurship niche, then you should go below and also hit the subscribe button. Okay, so what is the method that I'm going to tell you to make $1 per minute? Basically it's an enroll app, and what the enroll is doing, they are basically doing to make the web better, to make it as easy as possible. Just like when you are going to type on the Google anything, it is going to give something like for example you are going to type how to, so it is going to result the most popular result. So they are making the web easy, and in the same way the enroll is going to help all of them, so that it will be very easy. They are going to do the tests every single on the they have scheduled, so they are going to adopt you, that you can give the test to them. What you need to do, just come over here and you need to give them your email over here. This is a kind of sample test that you can do over here. Okay, so basically this site pays from 10 cents to $1, and $1 is very you just need to give them some kind of your opinion, and it is not even gonna to take 1 minute of yours. Okay, so it's that simple. I think that there are no tests available. Okay, I think, yeah, I have done the test in the evening. Okay, so I really think that there is no test available. So basically this site is very much trusted, and what you need to do, just come over here and you just need to complete simple steps like labeling some of the things. Okay, so let's see, begin the session over here. Okay, so what's over here, click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. Okay, we are gonna to find over here, it's just taking okay, packages, cars, hotels. We are gonna to go with the hotels, and we need to click on the over here, and your trip to New York City over here, and all that stuff. Book this page over here. So what the hell is written over here? What does this page makes you feel? Okay, so what does this page actually makes you feel? You just need to give your opinion. Okay, anticipation, joy, trust, surprise. It's kind of joy. You can do anything, whatever you like. You just need to give them your opinion. For example, how do you like? I really feel good. Okay, I'm just writing anything. You just need to give your opinion over here, and that's it. Very simple. You just need to fill this stuff over here, and you need to do this, and over here some college over here, and income. I'm not gonna do the real income over here. So it's just kind of a test over here, and thank you for taking test. This is the simple test you just need to do over here, and they are going to pay you PayPal with PayPal. And you know that when PayPal is connected with somebody, then their chances of the scam are really less. So what you need to do, you just need to come over here, register and sign in over here. There will be your dashboard, and whenever there will be a test, they are going to email you, and then you can complete the test, and from there you can really get paid for it. Okay, so when I'm going to click on okay, so here is about, terms, and over here about, we are going to go in the about and roll. Okay, so these are the terms over here. You should read a little about if you want. Okay, so what's in the about section over here, you can come over here and read about their company and all that stuff. These are their this is their team, and this is their mail leader, and all that stuff. You're going to find all about this, their work and whatever their services and all that stuff. So I really think that it is the easiest way to earn money online. You can go on the Google and search like enroll app. Okay, enroll. Okay, I'm sorry, it's the kind of enrollapp.com. You just need to come over here, and it's that simple. And do not forget to get your free training, because the training is really going to teach you step by step on how to make $100 as a complete beginner. As a 100% free training, I am giving you to all of my subscribers. So at last, thank you for watching, and if you are in the niche of making money online, business related niche, then you should go below and hit the subscribe button now. And at last, thanks for watching.